Always something interesting to see at the train market. This is in the wrong location, I think. This should be at Jod's Fair, which is over on Rama 9. Gorgeous VWs. Looks like it's a cafe that will be open at some point or another. It's not open now, but definitely Volkswagen oriented. They do love their Volkswagens here. And what quite a fetching little display for them too. They go big, man. They go big. They don't mess around. Check out the videos of Thailand. I'm here for 45 days, and I wish I was here longer. Look at those. Look at the beauties. This one here is just freaking gorgeous. This is a 21 window or something. I don't know. I don't know Volkswagens enough.